Today I'm going to show you guys something really cool that I built a few years back. This thing refills small 1-pound propane tanks for pennies. Let's get started. So what I'm using here is a vacuum pump. You can buy these at old yard sales and stuff like that. And this actually pressurizes it at 300 psi. So it has an inlet here, which is the vacuum, and it has outlet here, which I've conveniently screwed on the fittings, and a propane tank filler. And here you've got a little pressure gauge to see how much pressure there is. Here I have a 1-pound propane tank and a blowtorch, and as you can see, it does not light the blowtorch, and it is empty. Now I have this small fitting here, and this is actually the natural gas hose, and that feeds the compressor with natural gas to fill the tank. And here we have a small natural gas port, so let me just turn off the valve to make sure none leaks, and unscrew this little screw right here, and we will put this small tube inside the hole, and we will take the natural gas out. Now we take the other side of the tube and connect it to our inlet of the compressor. And now it's time to plug it in. Now we purge the system to make sure there's no air in it. I open the valve and we turn on the compressor. And you should see the pressure rising. Now we don't want to pressurize these above 200 psi because that might rupture the old tank. Now while this thing is filling, it actually gets hot because unlike propane, it is not a liquid state. We are pressurizing it as a gas. Now I have it at about 175 psi, and we're going to shut off the filler, and we're going to unscrew the tank. And as you can see, I do have a leaky tank, so that's not great. Will natural gas work in a normal blowtorch? Yes, it will. And if you can see that, it's a way more blue flame, which means the natural gas is probably working better than the propane in this torch. Now because this is a leaky tank, I'm going to take all the gas out of it by using this modified propane adapter, which has a paintball thing on it, and this will be powering an engine. Now here's the engine. It is connected to the back axle of a go-kart, and here is the intake for it. And instead of putting the gas directly through the hose, which the gas goes through, which is also a great idea, I'm just going to put the hose right into the carburetor. I heard it turn over, so let's give it a bit more gas. There we go, we have an engine running on natural gas. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you guys next time.